Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify your Worldcoin account without using an orb. Alright, let's begin. First, open the World app on your phone. Once it loads, you'll see the main screen showing Worldcoin and the option to verify your humanity. Tap on the Verify button to begin the process. If there are no orbs available in your country, the app will detect this automatically and present an alternative verification method. Instead of selecting I am with an orb, tap the option that allows you to verify without one. You will then see an option to verify using your passport. Tap on that and follow the instructions provided. The app will ask for a clear photo of your passport along with some personal details. Make sure your passport is valid and the image you upload is not blurry. After uploading your passport, agree to the terms and continue through the steps. The app will review your information and complete the verification process. This might take a short while, but once done, your Worldcoin account will be verified without needing to visit a physical orb. So that's basically how you can verify your Worldcoin account without an orb. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.